Hello! How are we doing tonight? This guy looks angry. Are you angry? No, you're not angry. I'm trying to find some people that I can make fun of, but you guys are pretty nice people. Maybe I'll talk to some old people. I want to talk to some old people. Hold on, I gotta talk to the devil. Hey, devils! Devils! Police! What's up? I like the police. Yeah. What's up? You guys partying? No, we're not partying. We don't like to party here. Are we partying yet today, people? Are we having fun? No, it's raining. Oh, depression. What's up? Oh, here's some partiers. I see a dude with blue hair. I hate blue hair. Blue hair is evil. I'm going to call the fashion police on you. No, what's your name, man? Blinking. Whoa, this guy's cool as hell. I believe in right to be weird. The right to be weird. Cheers.
It's nice.
Czechoslovakia.
Expendables.
Expendables. You gotta tell me what that means. Does that mean monkeys and midgets are having a baby and it's called a kidget? If a monkey and a midget have a baby, what's it called? Babu Bajedo Dobli. I am such an idiot sometimes. Thank you. Alright, we're gonna come back. I like you guys. You guys are partying. Whoa! Exciting! Whoa! The best and the worst of YouTube right here. Alright. Oh, there's a lot of cops around here. People that think they're cops. Hey, what's up, devils? Are you the devil? Are you going to steal my soul? Uh-oh. What happened to my soul? It's gone now. There's some people here with a balloon in the way.
Photo, please.
Photo! Photo! Okay, let me switch here.
Okay.